Intro. Hi, my name's Christian Capozzoli, and I'm an improviser and instructor, and I've been teaching improv here in New York City for about the last 15 years. I've also had the good fortune of touring through all of Canada and all of Europe, doing the same. I got my start at Harvard University working on my master's in education, and then went on from there to work at the Learning Community Group, which is an affiliate of the Media Lab at MIT. There we would kind of work in these think tank scenarios where we would be brainstorming maybe curricula, ways to problem solve through academic strategy. And then we'd get a note maybe 3 or 6 months later being like, thanks. But then I remember the very first time I went and saw Improv, and I saw that lag time of finding out if what you came up with was actually well received was non-existent. It was so amazing to see adults coming up with stuff off the cuff and having the audience immediately respond. And to feel that sense of dialogue, this comedic dialogue, was so inspiring to me, and I just became ferocious about wanting to learn as much as I could about the art form as possible. And now I'm coming from a kind of a heady academic background where I want to honor all the intelligences and whatnot. And so I just threw myself into it and kept tying different things, different arms behind my own back to be like, okay, I can do that, now let's try to do this. What happens if this happens? And what happens when this type of scene is going on? That involved me kind of assessing what am I anemic at in this moment? And how can I create and design lessons to help myself overcome that anemia and make that thing that was once a detriment maybe a strength? And over the course of a decade, I've developed and compiled all of those lessons, and I'm really excited to be able to share those lessons with you today.